Hey, come on in. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Lyasia. So as you already see by the title, this is my empty apartment tour. I just recently moved from New York, and a lot of you on Instagram been wondering, where are you going? I've been hinting at it. So now the time is here to finally say, I now live in Orlando, Florida, and I'm so excited. I just wanted to show you guys my new apartment because I'm obsessed with it. I love it. So much content will be created here, and content that I've been wanting to get out to you guys for so long. Now I have the space and everything to do it, so I'm super excited. So make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn your post notifications on so that you never miss any of my videos. So let's just jump right into it. So when you first walk in, this first door to the right is the boiler room. Not gonna show it, it's not that cute. You're not missing anything. But then the second door is the washer and dryer. It is a stackable washer and dryer, full size. So now from the washer and dryer, it leads us right on into the kitchen, which is one of my favorite areas of the apartment. So this is the refrigerator. I'm excited to have the water and ice system right here. So the refrigerator is the perfect size. There's a lot of shelving space, which I love because I buy a lot of food. So this will be perfect for everything that I need. So one thing that I really love about this refrigerator is that it's smudge proof. So you won't see all of those little fingerprints like smudgy because it is like a slate. So I really did like that feature because I actually really hate those little fingerprints. Leave a comment below if you are OCD like that. That bothers me. So I'm happy that I never have to worry about that. Greasy fingertips, we don't need it. So now on to the oven and stovetop. It is an electric stovetop, which will definitely take some getting used to because back in New York, I've always used a gas stovetop. But I have used electric plenty times before when staying at hotels, so I should be fine. Perfect for when I want to be up in here chefing it up. And then right above it is the microwave, which I typically do not use microwaves at all, but it comes with the apartment, so it's there to look cute. But I do love that it has the vent range fan up there on top, so that's really nice and convenient. So what really made me fall in love with the kitchen the most was all of the cabinet space. I personally love having cabinet space for everything because I like things tucked away and keeping the surfaces clean. So I love that this kitchen has so many cabinets on the top, on the bottom, like there's just storage galore, and I'm here for that. Really a big fan of this backsplash. I love that it's white, but it still has some gray and a little marble to it. It keeps it very simple, but adds a nice touch. So your girl has a dishwasher, something that I definitely did not have in New York. So I love having that because sometimes you just don't feel like always doing dishes. So it's nice to have a dishwasher to get the job done. And then here is the sink, which I love this gooseneck faucet in that you can kind of pull this out and rinse things off as needed. Also have a really deep farmhouse sink, which is really nice. So this was part of a welcome gift from management. It is just a bottle of wine welcoming us into our new home. And speaking of wine, that brings me over to my lovely island where I have a wine chiller. This was also a feature that sold me on the apartment because who you know got a wine chiller? I'll wait. So the first bottle of white wine that we have in our wine chiller is really special to me because we went to Italy for my birthday last year and we wanted to bring home a few bottles of wine. We were told that we had about a year to a year and a half before we had to open this because white wine can't age for but so long. So because we knew we were planning to move, we said we'll save it when we move into our new apartment, and literally we are moving in just a little over 1 year. So it's time for this to be open, and it will be open tonight to celebrate the new home. So little backstory on that. Can't wait to have this tonight to celebrate. The island is huge. I've always wanted a kitchen with an island, so I'm excited to finally have it. There's no formal dining room in this apartment, which is fine because that's not really needed. So I'll just put some bar stools there just for some seating when eating. And to wrap up the kitchen, we have a pantry. I love having that extra space for food. Clearly, I'm a big foodie and I cannot wait to fill it up with all my goodies. So from the kitchen, it leads right into the living room. It's a perfect size space for just the two of us here. And we'll just put like a little sofa and a TV, little coffee table, you know, just to have a little cozy area I'm excited for. And off of the living room, we have the doors that leads to the patio, and we have a nice size patio. It's kind of raining right now, so I'm not gonna go out, but it's a nice size where we could fit 2 chairs and also a little table. So it'll be nice to have a spot where we can be outside for fresh air, but not outside in the public. This is a 2-bedroom apartment, so I'm gonna show you the first room, which is our work studio, where all of the filming, photography, and work stuff happens. So let's go check it out. It is carpeted, unlike the rest of the apartment, and I love that actually. I never had carpet and I didn't know if I would be a fan of it, but the more I walk in here, I'm like, ooh, I like it. I kind of like it. So again, we have another ceiling fan in this room, and it's definitely gonna be the perfect space for filming and working. I plan to set it up really cute to get all of my work and filming done. It has great light coming in from the window, which I love, which is very important. I really do think that this is going to make the perfect work studio to get everything done, from filming to photography to computer work. Like, this is the area, which I'm excited about because back in New York, I didn't have a separate workspace. Personal space was mixed with my workspace and everything was all at one, and you never feel like you get a good separation. So I'm excited to have that here in this new apartment. And also love that because this is technically a bedroom, that means there's a closet. I love that this is a nice walk-in closet because being that this is the studio space, we'll be able to store packages, put equipment, gonna have some other clothes in here as well that's pertaining to work. But it's just gonna be a great kind of storage closet to utilize for all of our work necessities. So I love that. So this is the second bathroom. It would be considered the guest bathroom whenever we have guests, whenever all my New York friends and family come visit. But this is the second bathroom. This is also the bathroom that's attached to the workspace, so we'll likely be using it a lot. And I love how we have a lot of cabinet space as the rest of the house. I love that there's a lot of counter space, because also if I'm doing any kind of hair filming stuff, I can utilize this also for products and getting that stuff done. A really big mirror, cute lights up top. And then we also have a really nice shower bathtub situation, have a few shower caddies here. I love the curve and the railing. What's great about this bathroom is that you can either enter it from this second bedroom or you can enter it from like the kitchen, living room area. So that's nice because you have those 2 doors. And now I get to show you guys my bedroom. This is the bedroom. Like I mentioned, there's ceiling fans and carpet in both bedrooms. Really comfy, cozy vibe. Definitely a nice, spacious size. So I can't wait for the bed to come and mount the TV on the wall and just get it all set up and make it a real vibe. Again, nice big window that lets in good lighting. Moving along to the closet. FYI, double doors is always a good sign. Always a good sign. The closet was definitely something that sold us also on the apartment because we love the custom shelving. It's gonna be great for us to create like a his and hers closet out of this. Last but certainly not least is probably my favorite place in the apartment. No, I'm lying because the kitchen may be my favorite place. Well, anyway, another favorite place of mine that really sold me on this apartment is the bathroom. Let's go look at it. This is my bathroom and it's huge and I love it, and it's very empty and you hear an echo. This is the linen closet here. It definitely has a lot of shelving units, but we also have that second closet that will double up if we need the extra space for our linens. And this is my favorite part of the bathroom, and it is this beautiful, huge glass shower. It has double shower heads and so much space that two people can shower at once without even bumping into each other. Like, I'm gonna get in the shower so I can show you guys for size reference just how huge this shower is. This is me. I can literally put my arms out completely in this shower. Wash day is gonna be lit. I have so much space to wash all this hair and I just love it. Like, this shower really sold me on the apartment. I love the marble tile in here. I love the glass framing. And then you get some caddies here as well for you to put like some shampoo and your soaps. And I'm obsessed with this shower. I love it so much. It really is probably one of my favorite features of the apartment, like, for sure. So that is all for this empty apartment tour. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm so excited to be here in a new city, new beginnings, new chapter in life. I can't wait to bring you guys so much more content in my new home. So look out for all of the lifestyle content, all the things. Like, it's about to go down. So again, thank you guys for tuning in, and make sure you give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. And don't forget to subscribe and turn your post notifications on because there's so much content coming. So like Martin Lawrence always say, you don't gotta go home, but you gotta get the hell up on out of here. I gotta settle in, y'all. I gotta unpack. I gotta do some stuff. It's time to go. I gotta go. I love y'all, but I gotta go. I gotta unpack. All right. Bye.